Today is Wednesday, December the 16th. This is the Minority Report. This is a detailed document exposing the prison industry in the state of Maryland and Illinois. It also names the public officials involved. It's a jailhouse diary attached to it. It's 87 pages long and it's available to the public for free to ensure that nothing happened to me. The police been threatening me. Governor O'Malley been threatening me. They put guns to my head. They locked me up. I'm a whistleblower, and this is part of my blowing the whistle. This information is in the office of President Barack Obama and the Department of Justice. I'm the subject of the investigation. I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. This is a letter to President Obama. Congressman Cummings, Senator Cardin's got a copy of it. This is the state of Maryland, where they took my truck, my computer, and my property. This is court ordered to be returned, and you can look at that. It was subpoenaed, and they refused to address it because it involved Governor O'Malley, Chief Johnson, Scott Schellenberger, Greg Bernstein, and Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. Court ordered. You are a body attachment, fine or failure. They didn't even do the body attachment. They didn't do nothing. They refused to defend my rights. I got emails to deal with this as well. All right. FedEx, Jailhouse Diary, introduction. Like I said, that's my jailhouse diary. And it goes day for day, minute by minute, everything that I did, all the papers I filed, who I contacted. It talks about Congressman Cummings. It talks about Senator Cardin. It talks about President Obama. It's very detailed. And you can see it. It's a PDF file. That's my case in Washington, D.C., 2014, October. That's my case. You see my ID number, 2911907. So I'm making this very, very public because America needs to be exposed for what they is. That's the White House, 2009. They say that they want this done to my satisfaction. President Obama sent me that letter. That's President Obama asking for the investigation in May of 2008. All right, Kerry Cogwa is the office manager. Now Senator Kirk is sitting in that office, and Senator Kirk has destroyed the evidence. See what it says? Please allow 30 to 60 days for the agency to respond. It's been 9 years, 8 years, and you ain't responded. That's to the state's attorney in Illinois. Because like I said, it covers Illinois and Maryland's prison industry. The same way that Rahm Emanuel destroyed evidence, they destroyed evidence too. And these are the people you can contact with this material. All right? I want everything above board. I want everything in the light of day. I don't want no misunderstandings about nothing. And this is where it started. Governor O'Malley, Governor Quinn, Judge Bell, Mr. Snowden, Attorney General, Civil Rights Division, Patrick Fitzgerald, Lisa Madigan, the Baltimore and Chicago FBI, the NAACP Civil Rights Division, Senator Cardin, all right, Congressman Cummings, Congressman Jackson in jail, Blagojevich in jail. You need to jail Cummings, Cardin, Mikulski, and the rest of his corruption crew. And it says right here what I was doing. Like I said, you can go get this PDF file. It's open to the public. I ain't hiding nothing from nobody. It's notarized. It's perfectly legal. That's the Attorney Disciplinary Committee in Chicago. And I turned in judges and lawyers to that committee in 2008. I named your names and everything. It's handwritten. Everything I do in the light of day. I don't do nothing in the dark. I don't have nothing to hide from you. That's Patrick Fitzgerald, the Department of Justice. You left me in jail because I was blowing the whistle on your corruption in the courts. Those are inmates asking to be protected. And I petitioned you. These are the inmate request slips where I told you what I was doing. That's directly to Eric Holder in the Department of Justice from 2009. So locking me up in 2011 was a false flag. You was trying to destroy evidence. These are the supporters of Shorty's. These are pages and pages of supporters of Shorty. Like I said, I'm not in this alone. Just because you see me by myself don't mean I'm by myself. And this Minority Report deals with Lake County, Illinois. It deals with the corruption in the courts. It shows the people, it shows the pages. And it's very detailed. State of Illinois, Baltimore City, Baltimore County. That's the case number. I'm not going to just sit down and let you treat me any kind of way. I'm going to put your names out there and I'm going to hold you accountable to the people. The state of Black Baltimore is because of Governor O'Malley. That's my whistleblower's application for filming a documentary about racism. See Barbara Mikulski? See the Privacy Act? See the office? Cardens, Mikulski. See the emails? See the people on the emails? CNN, Ed Norris, the Maryland Black Caucus. I don't want none of y'all to escape this because all of y'all had something to do with this. Making a documentary and a movie ain't against the law. Filing a false police report, lying to the grand jury, that's against the law. You did the same thing that Chicago did, and the ACLU is a part of it. That's my case number, my file number. I don't want no misunderstandings about nobody. Everybody's in the loop. So you go to that PDF file and you scroll all the way through it and you're going to see about Elijah Cummings selling out black people in America. You're going to see Elijah Cummings lying to the people about the state of black America. You're going to see Elijah Cummings doing the plantation politics, selling out black people in America. And you're going to see Senator Cardens for making a documentary regarding the death of my son. That's your office, the state of black America. That shows when you got the information. I left the information. It's very detailed about who got what, received pages, and you ain't doing nothing, but you trying to lock me up. That's why I keep putting them toilets out. See right there? This is a cover letter. See who we're going to? Dog, I got everything detailed, so y'all can't erase this. Y'all can't destroy this. It's out there for the public to see. Eric Holder. This is a written letter to bring closure. I'm a former whistleblower complaint filed in Lake County. Alright? Names everything. I'm very detailed at what I do. And these are the people that have full knowledge of it. I don't want nobody left out the loop. That's the Baltimore City Police Department Internal Affairs investigation. Because I went and turned myself into them in December of 2010, long before I got locked up in 2011, and I gave them the files on O'Malley, and they destroyed them. Belfield's office destroyed it. See that? See that? I do my due diligence. And I got everything on email. Alright? So go to that PDF file. Go down that file. And look at the emails. Look at the times and the dates. Look at the people involved in it for covering up what's going on here in Baltimore. You want to talk about the uprising? This is why we had the uprising. Because of the way that you treat your people. That's Eric Holder. That's Eric Holder. That's everything filed. Everything is documented. Can't run from this. And Governor O'Malley created this. He uses our kids for photo ops and he sends them to jail in the same breath. And these are the public officials that know about this. See Michael Bush, the Maryland Black Caucus, Bridges, Branch, Friedman. You see the people? Bobby Zirkin, Larry Leza from CNN, Executive Director of the ACLU, the Chicago FBI. You read that? So in closing, make sure that you get all this information. Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake, that toilets that I leave out there, I left y'all a note and I sent it to you in August. I told you what I was going to do to you. It's a creative issue. I'm an independent filmmaker and I'm an artistic expression. Office of Promotions and Arts. No law against making a movie. The movie's about you. So do what you do. It's the Minority Report, and it's open to the public. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Don't get no sweeter.